Hello, my name's Alan with All About Stocks. Let me have myself here. I think that hides me. I'm still getting used to this program. So, as you see, we been dropping down here, and over the last few days, we have started climbing back up. The treasuries are coming back up, which is bringing the stock market back and returning, or we're making more money. The stock market is returning or going back up. So as treasuries are going back up, the stock market is going back up as well. So we're in a correlation. So there's been people asking about the healthcare. So so I had to move myself. I went ahead and pulled up the healthcare here, and this is just a list of some healthcares that or healthcare stocks that I've been able to find. And I like ADIS. ADIS is a good healthcare. I haven't listed all of them, as we can see. I think this is National Healthcare Industry, United Health Group. But the ones that I have listed in green, I believe they're the ones that are showing, or they were when I listed them. They're the ones that were showing get tongue-tied. They're showing higher return on revenue and return on earnings. Once again, I'm sorry, I get tongue-tied. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to get better at this videoing. But once again, the ones I show listed in green are the ones that I show doing better with revenue. Johnson & Johnson, they're a good one. Everyone knows them. They probably should be listed in green. I was doing these as fast as I could. If anyone's curious, this is the list of stocks I have that I'm trying to go through, and I'm going to be posting all these, and I'll be trying to make videos for all of these. Now, if you're also interested in an ETF, then you have XLV. So you have XLV, and the main ones would be Johnson & Johnson, and like I said, I like ADIS. Alright, ADIS does jump around a lot. United Health Services, they're pretty good. And if you're interested in some biotechnology stocks, I tend to stay away from them due to the fact that they're just, I find that they kind of, it's hit and miss. But of course you got Pfizer, you got Edward Life Science, they're just kind of the ones that everyone seems to know. So I think they tend to trust them a little bit more. The Abbott Laboratories, Amgen, CRISPR,